thing red is your lips and the calipers.
With you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have another 11,000 mile car. I know you're probably tired of hearing it, but I'm certainly not. It's a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette, and it is a Z51 package, I believe, sports car. And it's finished in black with the, I believe it's a jet black interior here. So you can see the nice white stitching. And it is a 7-speed manual, which I'm going to show you under the hood in just a second. The nice upgraded wheels here, the chrome wheels, which is 19-inch here in the front, and the upgraded red brake calipers, which is a pretty sick and sleek look. Under here is so easy, by the way, to lift that hood. We have a 6.2 liter V8, disgustingly fast and furious engine. I mean, it's such a machine to look at, to drive, and to certainly rev the engine. Very simple as well to close the hood. There you go. You have the nice LED lights there, the nice chrome line here in the front, and the Chevy emblem. And of course you have the 19-inch chrome wheels, as I had mentioned, and the red brake calipers there. The front and the back, it does go to 20-inch. And again, the chrome wheels, the brake calipers, those are all upgrades. Here again is another example of the interior. Can't wait to take it out and test drive for you. You have your Bose system, and of course, such a nice, fun look. It is a T-top, which I'm going to show you the top here in the back. You do have your quad exhaust. One of the upgraded packages on this car is to have the sounds the way it sounds. So let me just get this open for you. We do have both keys, and I believe we might have the books. I'm gonna have to check on that for you. Once again, the hood space here is so easy to open as well in the back, and there is your hard top. So obviously it matches the car, and it holds in place nicely there, so it's very easy to remove, put place back there, and to take out and put on the top. So I'm going to take it out in a test drive for you, and like I said, it is a 7-speed manual transmission, so bear with me. Great, let me get it started up. Foot on the brake, well, and clutch. Press the start stop engine button.
Nice rumble, huh?
Yes. Let me don't worry, the car is already heated up for you. Get it into gear here. Take the parking brake off. And I'm going to also show you the
camera.
Yeah.
Camera.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Sorry about that. Let me do the backup camera here. There we go. Very nice, clear, large screen. I love it. I actually love this car. I really do. I'm a little nervous about driving the
Especially since you never drove it, just at 50 feet.
Yeah, I have not driven this car besides what you just saw at the beginning. So please understand that. So I might have a little less intelligent things to say than normal. Not that there's always intelligence behind this.
Finally cleaning up our road here with the debris from Irma. Look at that full moon.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Almost full moon tomorrow.
Actually, you know, it's almost,
nice it
almost looks brand new in the interior of this car.
So now you have it in sport mode. When you push that little lever to the right, you put it in track mode. That's usually the mode I like to drive. It tightens up the steering more. You can go into touring mode.
Alright. Woo!
Third gear finally, so let's step on it a little bit. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can do it.
I don't know how I just did that.
That car is easy to drive.
That
it's
was
such
passion,
a sports car.
Obviously. Wow, and I just downshifted like a pro.
Yeah, good.
Sorry, I was a little nervous about driving this one because I didn't have any practice at all.
That's wonderful you did.
Yeah, oh, thank you. There is your Pandora. You can have your OnStar. There's your hidden USB and storage area. Such an awesome machine. Really.
It's like a sports car. It's a cool sports car. Finally, Corvette can build a real car. That's from my Germany,
Yeah, it's a sick car. I absolutely love it. So if you're interested,
track modes over here, or it's somewhere. Performance modes. Jeez. Okay. You're running out of track here.
I am.
Okay.
So, any questions about this car, give us a call. It's 263. Just 1 second. Let me stop here. 8500. Sorry. All right, 239-263-8500. You can always call me directly. It's 239-777-8986. I don't know if you want to do that after you see how I drive the car, but 239-777-8986. Real quick, while I have you in a stop, you can see the air conditioning options are over here for your passenger. I didn't really get to go through the car with you because I was nervous about getting it into gear.
It's all touch screen.
Yeah, you can see.
And here
I don't know who.
This is what I like.
Who that is.
I like the driving mode. You can adjust the sound management here on automatic, or you can go your steering.
Oh, and by the way, it's really beautiful out right now in Southwest Florida.
Yeah, that's why everybody's down here now.
Yep. There's your driving modes. Yep. Anyway, anything you want in this car, basically.
Window sticker will be on the website.
And there is your 0 to 60. Any questions at all, give me a call. Again, it's 239-263-8500. On the web, it is autohausnaples.com. Again, it's 239-263-8500. And on the web, it's autohausnaples.com. And I will see you on the next one.